I'm going to show you how to take your loose powder and turn it into a pressed powder in an old Seint tin. Okay, to do this, you're going to need some isopropyl alcohol, an empty Seint tin, your loose setting powder, and your Seint palette. First of all, take one of your old Seint tins and melt down the product that's already in there. I like to use a candle warmer, but you can use a straightener, whatever method. Just please don't put them in the microwave, they are metal. Take that product and pour it into your new Seint tin and clean out that excess product. Now you're going to take your loose setting powder and you're going to pour some of it into that tin. You should probably use a scoop of some kind, but I guess I'm an agent of chaos and wanted to do this freehand. Take a toothpick, a bobby pin, some sort of stirring apparatus, and kind of spread that powder out into the tin evenly. All right, take a capful of your isopropyl alcohol and gently pour it into your powder. You don't need to use all of it at once though. I like to start off with a capful just so I have enough. Take your stir stick and make sure that the powder dilutes into the alcohol thoroughly. Once that's done, let it sit and evaporate, and once it's thoroughly dry, you are going to have a pressed version of your loose powder. Like, look how awesome that is!